Here are a few tips that I've learned over the years of what seems to work well when you're trying to keep a poinsettia indoors over winter in the UK or pretty much any other northern hemisphere country. So we only water them when the soil is fairly dry. Don't overwater them, they won't like that. Also, spraying them with warm water seems to be good for the plant too. I think it recreates the conditions it's used to in its native climate. You can give them a liquid feed about once a fortnight. They don't tolerate cold. They respond really well to warmth. When it's too cold, the leaves will drop. If you see this happening, remove the leaves, but take care of the sap as it can be toxic. Keep them in the windowsill during the day so that they get light, and then at night time move them away from that windowsill so they're not going to be affected by the colder nighttime temperatures. The coloured leaves on them aren't flowers, they're just leaves, and they're called bracts. And it's darkness that makes these bracts turn into whatever colour they are. You can get some red poinsettias, pink and even white poinsettias. If you manage to keep a poinsettia alive through the winter and into the spring, you'll notice that the leaves revert back to green. Don't panic, this is just because of the increased light levels. And from roughly September onwards in the northern hemisphere, as those light levels start to drop again, you'll notice that the bracts start to resume their colour, whether that's red or pink or some of them are white. Poinsettias are native to Mexico, but on the screen now you'll see a link to a video about the poinsettia that I filmed when I was in Kenya in Africa. Thanks for watching.